Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. Ooh, you told me some good things about chickens. So here is my chicken chart, and I am going to read about chickens, okay? I'll be reading our chart about what you knew about chickens, and then Mrs. Hensley will read a story about chickens, okay? Are you ready? Because I sure am. Here we go. You said, there's a little bit of a glare. I am so sorry. Okay, you said female chicken lay eggs, and you are right. And rooster chickens, which are male chickens, say cock-a-doodle-doo early in the morning. Chickens live in chicken coops. They say brak, brak, brak. They cover their baby chicks. They eat bugs and seeds. The males are roosters. Males are boy chickens, and they're called roosters. And they have white and brown feathers. They sit on eggs to make them hot. It's actually to keep them warm, so they hatch. And what does that mean, they hatch? That means they open up and the baby chicks come out, doesn't it? Okay, they cluck around. They live on a farm. They can be put in the barn. They peck on grass looking for food. They sure do, don't they? Looking for seeds. They cluck their wings. Chickens do not fly. And this was a great one. We eat chicken, don't we? Mrs. Hensley loves chicken, so she eats a lot of chicken. Okay, friends, Mrs. Hensley is going to read a chicken's book and see if we can learn more about chickens, okay? Here we go. Chickens by Catherine Clay, Gail Sodders Smith, PhD, which is doctor, consulting editor. See what else we can learn about chickens. Chickens. Oh, here's our table of contents, and a table of contents tells you what is in the book. So, meet the chickens. So on page 4, we can meet the chickens. New life, page 10. On the farm, page 14. Glossary, 22. Read more, 23. Internet sites, 23. And index, 24. So that tells us what is in the book and where we can find it on what page. Okay, meet the chickens. Cock-a-doodle-doo! A rooster crows as the sun rises. Chickens dash around the farm. Look at those chickens. Most chickens have white, brown, black, or red feathers. They peck with sharp beaks. Below the beak of some chickens is a red flap of skin called a wattle. Right here, right under their beaks. Okay, can you see that? You might not be able to see that very good. Here, I'll get it closer to you. Right there, you see that? Right underneath. Okay. Chickens weigh about 7 pounds. Which is 3 kilograms. Chickens can fly only short distances. Their small wings cannot lift their heavy body. So they can't fly, can they? They can't. Well, it says they can fly in short distances, but like it's literally not like they can actually fly. New life. Male chickens are roosters. Hens are female chickens. That's the girl chickens. They're called hens. Only hens lay eggs. So this is a rooster and this is a hen. Okay. Okay. Hens sit on eggs to keep them warm. Crack! Eggs hatch after 21 days. Young chickens are called chicks. Those are some baby chicks. On the farm, chickens eat feed made of corn, wheat, and seeds. Chickens also scratch the ground for insects and worms. I think that's what we were talking about when we said they peck on the grass. They're scratching the ground for insects and worms. Farmers raise chickens for eggs and meat. Farmers collect eggs twice a day. Eggs are white, brown, tan, blue, or gray, or green. Sorry. Oh, Mrs. Hensley learned something. I didn't know they had blue or green chicken eggs. Grocery stores sell white or brown eggs. So Mrs. Hensley learned something today that she did not know. Chickens are also kept as pets. Some chickens let you hold them. They may eat out of your hand. Oh, that's something Mrs. Hensley forgot to put on our chart, that maybe if we go to a pumpkin patch and they have chickens, or we go to a farm and they have chickens, that you can pick them up. I forgot to put that on there, but Mrs. Hensley will definitely put that on our chart. Foxes, coyotes, and raccoons try to attack chickens at night. Chickens stay safe in coops made of wire and wood. Okay? And then this is the glossary, and it tells you what some of the things that we read about were. It says beak, the hard front part of the mouth of birds. Coop, a small building where chickens stay safe and lay eggs. Dash, to move quickly and suddenly. Hatch, to break out of a shell. Hen, a female chicken. Peck means to pick at something. Rooster is a male adult chicken. And wattle is a piece of skin that hangs down from the chin of some birds. The end. Okay, friends, maybe you learned more about chickens that you didn't know before today, because I just learned that there are green and blue chicken eggs. Mrs. Hensley had no idea about that, and I've never read this chicken book until today, so I read it to you guys. You're the first ones that have read my new chicken book. Okay, Mrs. Hensley's friends, you told me all you knew about chickens. Mrs. Hensley needs to add that we can hold chickens. If we go to a farm and they let us, we can hold chickens. Okay. So I added everything to our chart that the students that I have responded to our assignment have said. So thank you to you all that responded to our responded to this assignment. Now, our assignment for tomorrow is tell me everything you know about cows. What do you know about cows? Brainstorm. Put that thinking cap on and brainstorm all the facts and all the things you know about cows. And Mrs. Hensley we will find out what we all know about cows and maybe learn new things about cows when I read our cows book on Monday. You all have an awesome Friday, fantabulous Friday. Mrs. Hensley will see you soon. Bye, friends.